Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify budgeting with RealPage forecasting, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your RealPage account with your credentials. Navigate to the budgeting module on the dashboard. Select the property or portfolio you want to verify. Locate the forecasting option within the budgeting section. Click on Create New Forecast to start a new verification process. Enter the financial periods you intend to analyze. Fill in the required fields for revenue, expenses, and capital expenditures. Review historical data for accuracy and relevance. Compare last year's actuals against current forecasts to identify discrepancies. Adjust forecast assumptions based on market trends and historical performance. Save your forecast for further analysis or adjustments as needed. Access the Reports section to generate detailed summaries. Select the type of report that fits your verification needs. Run the report to view key metrics and insights. Analyze the report to ensure all projected figures align with your budgeting goals. Discuss findings with your financial team to confirm accuracy. Make necessary adjustments based on team feedback and insights gathered. Once satisfied, finalize and save the verified budget forecast. Set reminders for periodic reviews to ensure ongoing accuracy. Document any changes in planning and assumptions for future reference. Monitor actual performance against the budget regularly for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.